Come here and open the door. Here. Step out here. Hey, step out here.
Can you tell my child where y'all taking me?
You alright? Why is your mom not cooperating, dude? All I wanted was her ID.
Location: Florida, Pensacola region. Incident: traffic stop leading to obstruction arrest. A driver with a minor in the vehicle refused to produce her driver's license for over 9 consecutive minutes.
Hello, how are you guys? The reason it's stop one, you're going 1645, so you got no tag, and only got one working brake light. You have the registration for the vehicle? 16 and a 45. You have no tag on the car? Yeah, there's a speed limit sign back there. There's no tag on the car, and you got one working brake light. Where's the tag at? It's not on the front. Do you have the registration? You guys have the registration? Oh, you have the tag in the car? Okay. Do you have your driver's license? Okay. Do you have the registration or your license? Ma'am? Oh, there's a tag. Do you have your tag? Okay. Do you have your driver's license? Do you have your driver's license? Can I see it? Do you have it with you? For the traffic stop, I need to see your driver's license. You need to,
Where's that rule? Give me one moment.
yeah, there ain't no rule. You gotta give me your driver's license. Just gonna play this game. Do you have your driver's license or not?
Give me 1 second, sir.
You need to identify yourself, so can you please do that? $134. Try getting his ID.
Hey, sir. You don't need to be questioning my passenger. He's not the driver.
Can you copy Missouri 28? Yeah, well, we want to get your ID and you're not giving it to me, so can you please hand me your ID?
It's for a reason. Because
You have to hand me your ID. You have to give it to me. X-ray King 0, Boy 3 Charles, XK 0, B3C. Should come back on a silver Ford Fusion. Just for 14, she's not giving me her driver's license or anything. She rolled the window back up on me. Like, this will go a lot easier if you just give me your ID.
Here you go. Right there. I don't have to print.
Yes, you do. You have to present your ID. You have no option.
It says it right here.
134, you said I was going to be out of Mississippi.
In the law book.
Missouri. You have to present your ID. You have to present your ID. Yes, you do. You have to present your ID.
No, I don't. It says it right here.
134.
It's your supervisor.
Can you get a supervisor? She's refusing to give ID. She's saying she doesn't have to and she wants to speak to a supervisor, and she's rolled the window up.
10-4. Unit 58. On the ground. Yeah.
Look, I'll be honest with you. You have to give ID, and it's going to be...
Give me a ticket for this.
How am I going to give you a ticket? I don't know who you are.
134, copy the return on your 28.
Go ahead. Yeah, you still have to present your ID with me.
On the license plate, I do not have to.
You have to give me your ID. Yes, you do. You have to present your ID. What's your name?
Did she not just tell you?
Well, I don't know who you are.
Right. Obviously, if that's my license.
Well, I don't know if that's who you are, so
Right.
why can't you just give me your ID?
Who you are? What's your name?
Yes,
What's
Deputy
your
Simpson.
badge number?
I don't have a badge number.
You don't? Oh, so you
My ID's
sent that.
Well, if you would listen,
Yours.
I'm telling you, I don't have a badge number.
Uh-huh.
We don't have badge numbers at this agency. My radio number is 134.
134.
Yeah, so write that down, but give me your ID.
Unit 52.
What's your name? Simpson what?
That's it, Deputy Simpson.
Deputy Simpson.
Can you show me your ID?
Simpson, right there.
Okay, here, hand it to me.
No, I cannot.
Where's your driver's license out of? Where's your driver's license
My
out of?
passport. That's just as
You just hung it up to the window and then closed it. she's sovereign. Huh? Hey, show me your ID. Hey, show me your ID. Show me your driver's license.
I just showed you.
No, you didn't.
That's just as valid as my driver's license.
Why can't you show me your driver's license?
I have my driver's license, but I'll
Then show me your driver's license. If you show me your driver's license, we will go about our thing and do our thing. But if you keep messing around, we're gonna go about it different ways. Show me your driver's license. Yes, you technically have to. Lawfully, you have to. Yes. Okay, can I see it?
Compliant. Here it is. Now.
Well, how the hell am I gonna see it when you hold up for a half a second? No, you can't go.
Information from the lady.
No, you can't go. I want to see your ID. You're not showing it to me.
Supervisor.
He's right here.
Okay.
But you're not showing me your ID. Yeah, you're about to speak on, but you're not showing me your driver's license. When you hold it up like this, I can't see it. Let me write it down then.
No, she just gave you the information.
Well, I want to write it down. So we stopped her for 16 and 45, no tag, and then 1 brake light. She said she don't have to ID herself. She showed me her passport now. She held her driver's license for like a half a second. That's it. She's refusing everything else.
Ma'am?
So.
Ma'am, I'm Sergeant Oaks of the Sheriff's Office. Yes, ma'am. Sergeant Oaks, yes, ma'am.
What is your badge number?
We don't have badge numbers. We don't have badge numbers.
Y'all don't have them?
No, ma'am.
I already informed her that. I gave her my ID number, my radio number.
All right. Ma'am, listen to me. This is a lawful traffic stop, which means you have to identify yourself, present your driver's license, your proof of registration, and insurance. If you refuse to comply with our investigation, you will go to jail. Okay?
What crime did
For
I
obstruction
commit?
of justice.
What crime did I commit?
Obstruction of justice. If you're not going to comply, that's what's going to happen.
How?
We'll drag you out of the car and take you to jail. That's how it's going to happen. Yes, ma'am. Now, do you have your driver's license on you?
I just showed him.
She held it up for a second
We
and
need
put
to
it back.
see your driver's
She wouldn't let me
license
see
I
it.
showed him my passport and I showed him my driver's
You don't need a passport to drive. You need your driver's license.
Right, and I showed him my driver's
Let me see it so I can take it back to my
Your
car.
driver's license, ma'am. You are required to comply.
33, I'm getting 97.
Yes, ma'am, you are.
By the law, yes, you are.
Sure. Well, the law book that we all have to go by. Okay, here's where we don't argue on the side of the road, ma'am. We just take you to jail if you refuse. Hand it to me through the crack.
I cannot give you my driver's license.
Okay, then we're going to have
I don't know who you are.
I am Sergeant.
You want to come on this side?
And I don't feel comfortable.
Because now we're about to take her, because I'm done.
And I have
Hey, Jesse, would you mind staying on that side?
So if y'all do anything
Here.
to be legal, that's
Here,
not right.
unlock the door.
Forward.
Because we're having you step out.
Go to the option.
Hey, look, just unlock your door, and we can...
You need to write it down. Where's your ink pen? Where's your pen? Do you see it? Hello? Where's your...
Let me see it, because I got to take it back.
Camera's not on.
I got to take it back. I got to take it back to my car. Here, hand it through the window. I got to take it back. I got to take back it to my car so I can write some stuff. Yeah, it's been on.
They're trying to arrest you. Provide your driver's license.
Are you going to do that or not? Because this is the last warning. We're just messing around too long.
I just said, here's my ID.
Give it to me so I can take it back to my car. Hand me your ID.
We have LT out right now.
They're trying to break.
133, we have a program coming out. Yeah, 34.
Hand me your ID.
No lieutenant out. Is that what I heard?
Yes. Hand me your ID. This is the last warning. Hand me your ID through the... Hand me it through the window. Okay, she's refusing to hand it to
Ma'am,
me.
this is not our preference. We don't want to have to do this. Hand us the ID.
That's the thing. I don't know who they say they are.
We told you who we are.
You are.
We told you who we are. Hand it to me through the crack of the window, and then we're good.
I give you my ID.
Okay. Well, the door's locked, so...
All right. Well,
You have the window break?
sir,
This is my child. Y'all don't question it.
We're not, but it's best if you cooperate.
How old is your child, ma'am?
Don't worry about that.
All right.
It's locked.
All right, just take it.
Hey, open the door. And we don't want to break the window. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door.
Sergeant,
He's right there. Open the door.
can I talk to the
Oh, no, there's no more. Open the door.
I didn't finish talking to the sergeant.
Open the door. Open the door. Come here and open the door. Step out here. Step up. Step up. Come here. Turn around.
Here's my ID.
No, we're keeping it. I know, but we're going to keep it.
Why you got her? Call him. Don't worry about it. Don't go anywhere. You don't got to go anywhere. My ID is right there. You're not doing anything. Registration.
Take her back there. Take her back there.
Okay. Don't worry about it. You hear me keep calling.
Take her back there. Just, hey, step out
Can you
here.
tell my child where y'all taking me?
Yeah, we'll tell him go.
Okay.
Here, go back here. Are you good with him? I'm gonna search it for you real quick. The what? In the crack, probably. Let me just grab gloves real quick.
Hey, man. I'm going to open the trunk real quick because the ID went there. You all right? Why is your mom not cooperating, dude? All I wanted was her ID. Hey. Hey. You want to look at me and talk to me, man? Huh? How old are you?
You got her?
You're old enough.
Is she in the car?
Do the tag. I don't know if they actually got her information if you want to run it.
The only thing I have on me is my my pad. That's
Okay. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna check and make sure. Just know that when you go to jail, you're gonna go through like a screen. Okay. So if you have anything on you, it's gonna spread your legs. Spread your legs.
Why are y'all arresting me? I don't have my ID.
Okay.
Technically, I'm not supposed to give y'all my ID.
Ma'am, we have to identify you on a traffic stop,
Y'all have
and he's.
my ID. Y'all have my ID.
Now we do.
Yeah,
But if you would have just given him,
y'all have a pen for a reason to write it down. That's what I'm saying.
you were refusing to give him your identification.
Not that. I did not
Go ahead and
refuse
put it-
to give him my identification. To show him who I was.
Okay, hey, we're gonna walk to this car right here. Why is the tag not on the car?
Because someone was messing with my car.
Okay,
I would
go
like
ahead
to know why y'all cameras is not on.
Mine is on. It's
Okay,
beeping.
thank you.
It's beeping. If you hear it beep, it's on.
Well, I need to know where.
Okay, we're gonna.
I need to make sure that that stepdad comes and get him. I need to know that.
Yeah, we'll
I
make
don't
sure.
want to leave until.
Okay, well, let's get in there so I can go talk to him.
He's underage, ma'am. Is
Okay,
what I'm saying.
I
I need to
understand
make
that.
sure that he gets in contact with the stepdad and to come and get him.
Okay, I will
so
do
I know
that.
that he's safe.
But if I'm talking to you, I can't go do that. I can't go tell him if I'm talking
Yes,
to you.
ma'am. I'm
That's what I'm saying. Sit
what
down.
I'm saying. Yes, ma'am.
I understand your concern. I'm a mom too. I get it. I will make sure that happens. Oh, is that her foot or the door?
She's saying where she's going.
No, she's more worried about him.
At least you've got a good pick on sports teams, though. I will give you that. Hey. Can you open the door? She's at it. Something to tell you.
Hey, did you get a hold of your stepdad? No? Okay. And he lives in, where does he live? Is it somewhere over here or is it in Pensacola? It's in Pensacola.
Sir, you have my ID.
Now,
And
after the fact,
technically,
after the fact, I'm just saying, you didn't give me anything. You wouldn't talk to me. I had to ask over and over.
Y'all have weapons. I don't.
We're not
That's
using it.
servicing.
We're not
That's
using anything.
servicing.
I told you what the
Me
reason.
and my child is by ourselves.
Yes, I get
We
that.
don't have weapons.
But we're not out here hurting people like that. We're not doing that.
I don't know.
Well, I told you to.
I don't know. It's a lot of stuff that's said and
So who can come get your son, or who can help your son?
I would like to see if y'all, can let me off with just a a warning.
You're not getting, you're definitely not getting a warning.
I don't have any.
I told you, hey, when we're out there, listen to me real
yes,
quick.
Sir.
I told you out there, if you just provided your ID, we'll go about it. No, you didn't. We'll go about it that way. I would take care of what I had to take care of, and we could go from there.
It's why I didn't want to get.
So you didn't want to give me your ID because you're afraid of law enforcement, and we would steal your ID.
It's been stolen from me before, and I had to keep going through the riffraff and run around to get my ID back.
Well, that's not the case. That's not what's going to happen.
Well, I have to be precautious, and that's why I showed it in the window. In the window.
All right, give me 1 second. All right, then.
He opened with me. His name is Joshua. He's 15.
Who can get him?
I knew he'd be coming back. Just talk up first.
She said she didn't want us to hurt her because we got weapons, and she wasn't going to provide ID.
She was also saying she didn't know who we are.
She said she didn't provide ID because we'll steal it.
Right.
So she wants a verbal warning, so I'm going to take her to jail for it because I've had enough. We've asked her plenty of times.
Oh, I don't know. Well, at this point, you got to.
She said someone's in Pensacola that he can call to come get.
I think Jesse's possibly a church.
Okay,
but he doesn't know where.
She said Pensacola.
Yeah.
So we can get him to tell us where he's coming from.
I think he talked to Jesse. He opened up to Jesse.
Are you good staying here?
Yeah.
So I'm going to take her to jail.
Yeah.
All right. What,
sorry, I kind of just pushed that on you.
What about the car though?
You want me to do a toast?
You can tow it. There might be someone else here. Hey, he's calling, is it his stepdad?
Yeah.
Okay, he's calling his stepdad. Is there anyone that can drive the car?
His stepdad should be able to.
His stepdad should be able to?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But I would
What?
appreciate being able to
Being what?
have my ticket so that I can take
Well, I told you what I was going to do earlier, so that's way besides that now.
I don't know, y'all. I said, I came up here for
I told you, I know, but I told you who I was. I told you the reason for the stop. I understand. Well, you should have listened when I asked numerous times. I had a supervisor come out and help talk to you, and you still refuse to listen and ID yourself, so that's not going to happen anymore.
I apologize, sir, for having y'all come.
Yeah, it's way past it. You're going to jail for it, okay? So you have your ex coming to get him, or your or whatever, current husband. He's coming to get him, right?
Can he take your car also? Or do you want me to tow it?
Yeah, can he take the car or no? Because if not, we'll tow it.
He may drop the car next to me.
Okay. All right. You want to get the registration and get that information because we don't have any of it, and then we should be good.
We have the registration at all?
Your mom has the registration in the car? No, the tag's there, but I know he ran the tag.
Legal basis for the stop. 3 independent violations were observed. Florida Statute Section 316.183, unlawful speed. Florida Statute Section 316.605, no license plate displayed. Florida Statute Section 316.221, inoperative brake light. Under Whren v. United States, any single traffic violation establishes probable cause for a lawful stop. The officer's subjective intent is irrelevant. All 3 violations here independently justified the stop. Florida Statute Section 322.15 requires every driver to carry and exhibit their license upon demand. This obligation is mandatory, not discretionary. A U.S. passport does not satisfy this requirement. The statute specifically demands the driver's license itself. In Hiibel v. 6th Judicial District Court of Nevada, 2004, the Supreme Court held that state identification statutes do not violate the 4th or 5th Amendment when the underlying stop is lawful. Subjective fear does not create a legal exception. Under Pennsylvania v. Mimms, 1,977 officers may order a driver to exit a lawfully stopped vehicle as a matter of course without additional justification. A driver who refuses to comply may be physically removed. This authority is categorical, not conditional. Florida Statute Section 843.02, resisting officer without violence does not require physical resistance. Sustained refusal to produce identification during a lawful stop constitutes obstruction in the execution of a legal duty. The charge carries up to 1 year in jail and a $1,000 fine. Under Graham v. Connor, 1,989 force is assessed by 3 factors: severity of the offense, whether the subject posed a threat, and whether the subject was actively resisting a lawful order. All 3 factors supported the physical removal in this case. Under Rodriguez v. United States, 2015, a traffic stop may not be prolonged beyond its lawful mission. Here, the delay was caused entirely by the subject's non-compliance. The extended duration of the stop does not create a constitutional violation when the detainee is the source of the extension. Lesson learned: providing a driver's license at initial request ends the stop. Refusing does not assert rights, it creates new criminal liability. The correct remedy for distrust of law enforcement is legal channels, not roadside noncompliance. Outcome: obstruction charge, $426 fine, minor witness the arrest.